lovely and nice. Basically, I'm going to make you guys a drink, which you can drink this during the day or at night. I only say drink in the morning because, you know, sometimes in the morning when you wake up, you want to have a hot drink. All right, roughly about 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. And get one of these lime, and all I have to do is squeeze the lime like this. Just use a hand and just roll the lime just to get the juice soft up inside of it. All right, now simple, just simple squeeze the lime inside of it like this. You can use lemon if you have lemon. All right, so once you do that, just get yourself some cinnamon powder, pour it into the water, roughly about a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. All right, give it a lovely mix, then pour it straight inside of your glass. And drink it. As I say, you can drink it in the morning, but it's better for you to have hot drink in the morning. So I would drink it like during the day. Lovely and nice. As you can see it for yourself. Look at that. That is fantastic. Beautiful. Just give it a lovely, lovely mix. All right, that's all you need, guys. This is a detoxing drink right there. Very easy and simple, and it doesn't complicate it. All right, so please subscribe to the YouTube channel, leave your comments in the description box, and you know what I mean, drink this and you can see it's different, you know, really good for you. Do some research, guys, on the apple cider vinegar, the lemon, and also the lime juice, and also the water. You know what I mean, good to do some research. But it's just, and the cinnamon, it's just a really good and healthy drink. Just mix out the cinnamon really good into the water, or you can blend it, you know. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned, and I will see you next time with more recipe. Bye bye.